Hand over hand. Just do it real fast.
I know.
We had to do this in wrestling practice. I know you can do it. I wish you all to videotape me doing it when I come across. Johnny, visualize yourself doing it and then do it.